What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a little project. It's a 2015 Ferrari 458 Spider. Customer brought it to us with the rear end damage. In a minute, we'll go around and I'll show you exactly what's going on with the car. So for now, if you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Now for this talk, and let's get to work. We got a Ferrari with rear end damage, the rear bumper is damaged, and here's the story what happened. Customer was driving at night on a freeway and then something went underneath the car. It cleared the front bumper but ended up tearing the diffuser and the rear bumper. So we got a new bumper, new diffuser. We gotta remove everything, spray the new bumper, install it, and the car is ready to go. No damages to the quarter, just ripped the corners off. Diffuser got completely messed up. I actually flew away and the rear bumper is torn apart. But other than that, perfect car. I love this orange color as well. Look at this beauty. Front bumper is perfect. So somehow it went underneath the car and whatever was underneath the car and knocked out the diffuser and the rear bumper. But now we're doing the difficult part, try to color match this Ferrari. It's a unique color, orange. So we got a few spray outs and we're trying to see which one matches the best. So we got 3 of them so far. The closest one, I would say, probably this one, huh? I feel like this one's a little too much orange. This one I think is the money shot. Yeah. Yeah, that's the difficult part. Try to match up the color 100% perfect, but we're gonna do it. No problem. We always do. We'll figure it out. I think that's the one. That's the money shot. So yeah, something like this, but don't worry guys, we'll make this car look like nothing ever happened. So let's pull the car inside and start taking everything apart and we'll go from there. Just got a bunch of goodies from Ferrari dealership. We got a brand new bumper, diffuser, and a bunch of other little pieces. Let me show it to you guys. Bumper, rear bumper, a new diffuser, and a bunch of wings and grills and exhaust. So now we could work on this car. We could start taking everything apart and painting the bumper and just fairly quick repair, just everything replace and good to go. Little Lego puzzle. So we'll start on that. Gonna start removing the bumper. To remove the bumper is fairly easy. Let me show you what you gotta do. In order to remove the rear bumper, you gotta remove the fender liners, and then there's 3 screws here, few screws at the bottom, And same thing on this side, and up here it just snaps off. You gotta pull it and it should come off. Let's remove the bumper and we'll go from there. Ready to paint the Ferrari bumper. Jose is doing the prep right now and we'll start spraying it. Let's go. We got the bumper inside, prepped and ready to go. We could start spraying it right now. Ferrari bumper is painted, so I could start putting the bumper together and start installing it and ready for wash, detail and delivery. Let's go. Just put the rear bumper together, looking good, so we're ready to install it. Let's check it out. Ran all the wires, all the goodies, everything is new, completely new bumper. And same with this side, look at this beauty, wow. I love this color, very unique color, you don't see too many of them. Also had to send out the rear rim for the Ferrari. Had a, I don't know what happened to it. They had a nice damage on one of the wheels, so we sent it out and they reconditioned it and it looks brand new. So here's the wheel, looking good. And once again, we had to use good old gunny wheel for the spare tire. Works the best. So if you guys want a set like this, I'll put a link in description with my promo code and you guys can get a little discount. But any maker model, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Toyota, you name it, they'll fit. So if you want one, the link right here in description, check it out. That is it, my friends. We're officially finished with Ferrari, washed, detailed, and ready to go. Wow, it came out beautiful. Ready for the weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!